final destination. If you're waiting outside, please make sure you stay behind the yellow safety line until the conductor forwards you to board the train. If you do not have a ticket for today's train, please do not board for any reason. Please take a second to check your surroundings to make sure you have all of your belongings before you leave. Once again, this is Amtrak train 284, final destination of New York's Penn Station. I'd like to thank you for choosing Amtrak and have a nice day.
Audrey, do you see the train? Do you see Mr. Conductor?